Hello and welcome to EazyRepair.com. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a new employee in EazyRepair. First, go over to the support and go down to Manage Team. Then go to the Add New Employee link. Here you'll enter the employee's email, first name, last name, and then this should default to maintenance tech. Administrators have full rights to the site, so I'd keep this as maintenance tech. Then click Submit. And now that user is going to get an email telling them exactly how to log into the site. So they'll click Login, and then they'll copy the temporary password, and there you go. Your employee's just logged in. That's it for this EazyRepair tutorial. Thanks again for your time. We hope to connect with you soon.